spiritual energy is coming in, soulmate energy potential is also coming through. But hello, Virgo. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely moonions. This is the monthly reading for July 2020. We will be looking into love and anything else that comes through. Also, since this is coming in a little late, this will be extending at least into the first half or first week of August as well. So keep that in mind and take what resonates. We have the thinking man coming through, which is talking about we have been thinking a little too much, causing a little bit of inaction in our life. And now is the time that whatever we have analyzed, reflected upon, we need to start taking baby steps forward, is also what is coming through. So the first card which flipped out was patience, a lack thereof is what is being experienced right now. And I feel like someone who has been thinking quite a bit is getting a little impatient, or perhaps someone who has been waiting upon other person's action is now getting a little agitated and wants to take action. But make sure that you don't do things impulsively, is what is coming through. You still need to have a little more patience to understand that you may not have all the information just yet. So postpone taking any kind of life decision, but something which you have control over, something more internal, take action in that. If you are on a journey of healing, say, then this is saying continue on it. Maybe during Mercury retrograde you come in terms with the past. Exes also tend to come through during Mercury retrogrades, but something from the past may be coming in and you want to quickly get rid of it. But at the same time, understand the kind of pattern which is going on, and why is it that the same situation or something of the past keeps on reoccurring or keeps on coming into your mind, because there's certain kind of closure which is required. This retrograde season is about analyzing things and doing things with that acknowledgement, amending things, releasing things, closure. That is what is coming in. Releasing the stuck energy, moderation, simplification, and becoming more in sync with yourself is also something which is coming through. We have woman holding a heart coming through. So the other person, especially if they are a female, if she is there in your life, and this talks about someone who's getting very warm, is very empathetic, very compassionate, and has a lot of feelings for you. May not be expressing it just yet, but someone who's realizing that their feelings for you are deepening. But if you take this as a divine feminine energy, this may be, and especially if there is a wounded divine masculine in your vicinity, or someone special is the divine masculine, it may be a time where they are being asked to look at how things really are and analyze, not jump into things, take action with compassion with yourself, for yourself and for others as well. That kind of a change is coming in. But this is a very hearty person who's ready for love, who is opening up for love, is also what is coming through over here. Is there anything else that we need to know? You. And we have broken heart also coming through. So something of the past which may be lingering on, and maybe the hurt may have been very recent or something like many years ago, but there is certain kind of clearing which is very much required to embody love, to go towards the higher frequencies of love, the highest frequency of all. And you have to have some patience, is what is coming through. Allow yourself, give yourself the time to nurture, to replenish your energy, for that regeneration to come through. It is safe for you to love. And first, love starts from within. So that is also something which is coming in, especially for those who have been in the past in unrequited love kind of a scenario, one-sidedness, or even when there was love, but the giving was more than the receiving. So certain kind of balancing which is very much required. Self-love is coming through, but certain kind of self-healing which is very much required for personal happiness, and that love to grow from within and flow outwards and ripple back manifolds of love, intimacy, abundance, gentle waves of this new vibration, positivity to enter your life. That is the energy which is coming in, whether you are single, whether in a relationship. But there is a little bit of self-love, which is coming through quite significantly, and to have patience, especially with yourself. Don't pressurize yourself, is also what is coming through. What are the clarifiers? Thank you. All right, so we have King of Water coming through, which is very, very nice. See, being placed over here, I do see someone who is coming out of the past, karmic relationship also, and really opening up for love. So we had a female, now we have a king also, a male also coming through. So the perspectives of finding someone who is meant for you is coming through very, very strongly, whether now or in the future, in the months to come. But right now, this is a part where you can call in your soulmate by first elevating your frequency, valuing yourself, bestowing the love and respect that you expect from others, and also support upon your own self first. Letting go of the expectations of others and really looking within and how much you can control things and how blessed you really are. Coming in for both, because over here I see someone who's overcoming the past in some way and is thinking about the next steps to take, because there's certain kind of strong feelings which are being brewed. So this is a very, very lovely chance for you to really, even if you're single, to attract someone who is worthy of all that you have to offer, who deserves you and who you deserve as well, that kind of a thing. We have Messenger of Water also coming through. For some, could be certain kind of surprise proposal which may be coming in. But yes, I do see something genuine happening over here. Genuine feelings, caring connection which is being built up right now. So allow things to unravel naturally, because this is a very genuine person who may be in your life or you are about to meet, is what is coming through. But yes, there are certain kind of emotional hurdles that they have to overcome, or even you have to overcome. And right now you have the emotional strength and the increasing intuition to overcome anything of the past that may have been there, because you need to free up some space and yourself from the karmic weight. And we have King of Fire also coming in. Two kings coming in, mirroring energy which is coming through. Romance, romantic feelings, emotions which are rising, passion which is rising. With the impatience, this is saying, like, perhaps you already have very strong feelings, the chemistry, attraction, highly attracted to this person. And if you see it in a way, the way they have been placed, this person is also quite attracted to you, driven. They love the innovative energy that you have and the leadership quality that you have and the quirks of your personality. They love it all, is the energy which is coming in. They see you as an equal, is what is coming through, which is very much required. Both of you coming out, flourishing independently in your soul journey, in your soul growth, and there you find inspiration in each other. Very dynamic, very sensitive kind of energy is also coming in. But when you blend it together, we balance each other, mirroring also, but inspiring each other to go forward, to grow individually as well in every aspect of life together, is the energy which is coming in. Very, very nice. It's almost like keep an open mind. They may be different from your usual type, is the energy which is coming in. This person may sweep you up quite surprisingly. There's something in their heart and the way they speak, something or the other which lingers longer. The essence lingers longer and it always puts a smile on your face, is the energy which is coming through quite significantly. So let's see what else is coming in terms of oracles. What do we need to know? This one. We have milk and honey coming in, abundance which is coming in, happiness, happy family life also coming through, fruits of your labor which will be coming in. For the change to come through, for something soulful to come in, when you add the 5 and 1, it's 6. So soul energy is coming in, spiritual energy is coming in, soulmate energy potential is also coming through. But there's certain kind of change with the 5 for that initiative to happen. Change of mindset, change of looking at things, realizing we may be getting a little fixated on things and kind of limiting our scope as well. So freeing up the space, letting go of the control of the outcome and allowing a little bit of flexibility, open-mindedness for the surprise to come through. I also feel there's this drive to learn something new with the Fire King coming through and charging your life in a different perspective. It's almost like someone who has been a little dormant or retreating from the society for quite a bit, and then one fine day, this person says, "Enough is enough. I'm taking charge of my life. I'm freeing up the space, letting go of the doubt, and I'm becoming more confident. I know what is right for me, and I'm doing positive things and making positive changes. And with that initiative, with that change, transformations will be happening. Regeneration energy is coming in. And with that upliftment of energy, of zest for life, there's something very soulful, something very meaningful, which will be entering your life. That is the energy which is coming through very, very strongly. All right, so the next two cards are All That Glitters, and we have Between Worlds also coming in. Something of the past which needs to clear off, because we had the broken heart also which came through. So certain kind of clearing which is there. I don't feel the past being like haunting or hovering over them all the time, but there is something, some trigger point which they need to clear off so that they are ready to move forward, to embrace what is being welcomed in their life. That kind of energy is coming through. With the All That Glitters is also saying, like, take off the mask and really live life and realize that, like, I don't know how to say it. It's almost like, you have a type which you're drawn to, whether it is look or a certain kind of flamboyancy, but really there may be, perhaps being an opposite person, maybe there may be someone who's a little subdued, is very intelligent, is very sensitive as well, may not be that expressive, but is thinking long term, is harboring some genuine feelings for you. So is the show more important, or something genuine which will grow over time more important? So look into that. I'm lacking words because not being able to, I don't know how to say it. Like, sometimes someone has a tendency of going for the playboy bad guy kind of a thing, trying to make, like, taking up the responsibility. Oh, I'll make this person better, or whatever it is, like, we'll work towards it and all of that, wherein there's another person who you think may be a little boring, but at the end of it has a genuine gold heart. That is what is coming through. There's a little bit of teenage movie kind of a thing which is going on, but I don't want to go into that. But really realize this is a very nice person. You may take some patience, require some patience for this, to see what this person really is, to really understand the longevity and the potential of the chemistry that you have together, is something which is coming in. So patience is very much essential. All right, so is there any kind of oracle messenger which is coming through for Virgos? All right, so we have Paul the Venetian coming in with Experience Grace, and we have Lady Portia also coming through. This says, share your gift with grace. Waves of inspiration and love are coming to you. Making space is very much required. Become confident in the capabilities, gifts, and talents which are yet to be discovered. Realize, visualize yourself in full potential. Get inspired by it, not fixated by it. Lady Portia is talking about divine order. Do what you feel is right. An important lesson is unfolding. So become aware of patterns or messages, information that may be coming in non-conventional ways to you. Listen to your intuition as well, and do things which are in sync with your own core values. And we have Kalima also coming in, facing fear. Major spiritual changes are unfolding. This is your chance to soar, which is why we have Between the World also coming through. Like, we are existing in the 3D reality, but there is this altered state that we can tap into to connect with the spiritual realm as well, angelic realm as well, because there's a lot of support, protection, guidance which is coming in, and we need to balance it out, is also what is coming through. Third eye awakening is there, but this talks about that irrespective of whatever has happened in the past, We can learn from it, keep a mental note of what not to do or what are our boundaries, but not rob ourselves from experiencing the present. There's the soul of there's a fire of confidence, spirit of confidence which is being instilled in you, and for this person as well. Let go of the inhibitions. That is what is coming in. Someone who may be thinking a little too much, that they are a little confused as to how to approach or confess what they're feeling, or maybe they may feel like, their intentions may get rejected, so they have to have that cultivating the confidence. That kind of a energy is also coming in, so don't lose your patience unnecessarily. Even if they are acting a little distant, the reason behind it may be very different, so let's not presume things and act on impulse is what is coming through. Have some patience. If the waiting part is getting a little too anxious for you, getting you anxious, then step away, do something which makes you happy. Get your attention on something else. Dwelling on something which you don't really have control over or aren't certain about is not really going to help you. But even if the percentage of happening and non happening is 51% and 49%, like, is going to happen something positive, something negative, you thinking that perhaps it's very sure that it's going to happen in a negative way, that this person is not going to approach, you change that, like, you add the 1% which is extra over here into that and make it 50-50. So if you have to presume, do something which gives your mind some ease, or if you feel that that's like an illusion to soften the edges or rosy tinted glasses kind of a thing approach, then just put your attention on something more effective, something more productive. That is also what is coming through. Don't fear. Do things wholeheartedly. Do what you feel is right, and we'll see what comes through. And yes, there is a chance of miscommunication also. So say what you feel is right, but make sure that you're not doing it with anger, haste. That kind of thing is coming through. All right. So let's look into the last set of clarifiers. Wow, these are way too many cards. Let's just go through them quickly. So we have two of springs coming in, a bright future manifested through hard work and creativity, partnering with others who share your dreams, great progress being made. This also talks about partnership romantically, business wise, platonically, and all of that. But yes, I feel like two people who have been in conflict coming in on the same page and wanting to work things out, golden opportunities which will be coming in. And the moment you start supporting yourself and your dreams, other people will also be coming in with new opportunities. We have release coming through, let go of the past, and ending that makes way for new opportunities. Time to move on. What are you holding on to which has been stopping you from moving forward? Let go and free yourself from those hostilities. We have renewal coming in, review the past and the present so you can plan a bright new future, understanding your life purpose, releasing judgment of yourself and others. So, really looking at things with a fresh pairs of eyes, but first you need to step back a little, because the more we look at things too closely, even our eyes start hurting. So, just put your focus on something else and then come back and see if you can look at the same situation with a fresh mindset. We have Prince of Autumn coming in, dependable, protective, chivalrous, humorous. When coming in reverse, this does talk about a little bit of overpromising that may be happening, and someone who is a little underconfident about their own self, which is why that doubt is coming in and they're holding back their feelings or wanting to express but not being able to. So that kind of uncertainty, underconfidence is coming through quite a bit. They have to overcome that. Like, I feel like the more they stop, the more eager they are to come through. The confusion which will clear out on their own. We have Six of Autumn coming through. The good you do comes back to you. An unexpected inflow of money, borrowing wisely, or repaying a debt. So we had the milk and honey which came in. So, fruits of your labor, unexpected windfalls also could be coming through, and understanding the give and receive, balancing which is essential, and doing good for others, and getting the support, supporting others, and then eventually getting their support as well. Kind of a energy is coming through. Doing things out without the expectation is something which is very essential for someone to learn. We have seven of winters coming through. There is a better choice, not seeing things clearly, running away from the truth. So this is talking about, like, take things into consideration. Is there a reality that we have been running away from? Have we been readjusting ourselves to something which we know somewhere down the line in our soul, in our heart, that it is not in sync with our reality or who we have grown into, and that needs to be released. There's certain kind of reality check which is very much required. So let go of the illusionary veil of fear, anxiety, and doubt, and really come forward and see what needs to be seen, and amend things, release things accordingly. We have unity coming through. Do the right thing for the right reason. Compare traditional versus new approaches to see which works for you. A spiritually minded community. This could be a time where you are attracting soul tribe. Apart from that, this, in all the essence of it, between the worlds and a few things which were there, this is talking about also taking other people taking other people's feedback to what your approach is, and not limiting yourself to their judgment of whatever you are pursuing, but seeing if there's something fruitful from that, that we can amend, retune, refine our approach, our plan as well. And there is this thing of, like, taking the time to look at the different things, like stepping into the other person's shoes and trying to understand the situation from their eyes and all of that, and not just jumping into conclusion by just looking at the cover. That kind of energy is coming through. And we have three of autumn coming in. Follow your passion when it comes to your career. Be the best at what you do, being compensated for your creative talents. And when coming in reverse, this is talking about someone who has been dwelling on something which is not really productive, and at the end of it, work or certain kind of potential endeavor which is lagging behind, because we have been procrastinating or worrying about something which is not at the end being productive. Use your talents. If even if career wise you feel stuck at the moment, is there something that you can produce which is unique, using your skills and your talent, or merging it with your hobby and coming out with a unique service product for the world which they even don't even know that they perhaps need? That is also coming in. Use the energy, the idle energy, into something productive is also coming through. Don't judge into concluding things prematurely. Take the time to look at the whole picture. Step away also for some time and then look at things, because there is some additional information which will be coming in, which will help you decide more clearly, more shortly, is what is coming in. And throughout that process, until and unless you don't have all the information, have patience, because it will be coming through. The truth will be out, and certain kind of truth is coming through as well. So embrace it and work accordingly to your advantage. All right, so that is what is coming through. Do let me know if this resonated with you. And thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. If you haven't already, then please do subscribe. Comment below and share it with the loved ones, and hit the like. Many, many beautiful blessings, abundant opportunities, love, light, confidence, clarity, patience, and empowerment to you all. Until next time, Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely moon.